Those days were different. There weren't so many rules. Kids were allowed just to be kids and do what kids love to do. Dumb, crazy shit they might regret. Actually, Point was my baby. I built her from the ground up. It wasn't some huge monster park, just a couple of slides and rides, but all the kids in town loved it. And the ones who had nowhere to go and no one to look after them, well, I put them to work. I called them the shitbirds. There was Ziffel, he was our chief engineer. Stiv, worked security.
Don't fuck with me!
Four-Finger Annie was our ride supervisor. Rodney, he was the numbers guy. Hot-headed Pete was in charge of complaining.
Can someone help me with this? Hello?
And then there was Killer. He wasn't exactly a kid, and he wasn't on the payroll, but he did come every day to pick fights with random strangers. Never a dull moment. To be honest, I think he escaped from a mental hospital. Anywho, the park bordered the Calico River, so we had water activities too. And your great Uncle Benny was in charge down there. Not one single person ever drowned on his watch most of the time.
And I looked up, and I saw her vagina staring me right in the eye. And I knew, like, nah, this is not just for peeing, this is for something else. Up until then, I thought babies came out of the butt.
Everyone loved to hear his stories, none of which I will share with you, young lady. Back then, there was a little thing called personal responsibility. If you screwed up and got hurt, you didn't call no lawyer or the media. You just dusted yourself off and bragged about it to your dumb little buddies.